Good morning. We're going to discuss today our PBL project, which means project-based learning project. And our group has decided that we're going to do we're going to make a bridge. So our project is called the Bridge Party Project. And what we're going to do, we're going to incorporate core classes that can give us a general idea of why do all our classes such as English, civics, history, math, PE, and even a CTE class, computer, to make us be able to design a bridge and to build a bridge. Everybody's going to be involved with this project, from the 6th graders to the 12th graders. The project is an integrated core of physics, content, and mathematics content. What it does, it allows students to learn and practice the process of scientific research and to analyze. Question: what role does a civil engineer play in bridge building? Okay? How have bridge affected the development of cultures in society? Think, for example, when we had the first American Indians, well, not then American Indians, but Asia's Indians from Mongolia crossed the Bering Strait into Alaska over 22,000 years ago. Well, did they have a bridge? Well, their bridge was that strip of land that had appeared after the Ice Age. And that's how they crossed from Mongolia in Asia to Alaska across that strip of land bridge. So that's historically on how we really begun with our society in the Americans. How has culture contributed to the literature? How has literature record these historical events? How have, in the study of physics, been applied in the designs of bridge? When we're dealing with physics, we need to know how much weight or tonnage this bridge can hold. Why is the knowledge of mathematics necessary when we design a bridge? And how does the use of computer technology aid in bridge designs? Because now you have computer systems, technology that is able to design bridges, design houses, design builders by architects and everything else like that. And we're going to utilize our students in our CTE class to design us a bridge. Students will create a bridge in each of the core courses, in math, in science, in CTE, in civics and history, and then they will present these sample models to the group. How are we going to do assessments with this project? We're going to have two types of assessments. We're going to have the formative assessments and the summative assessment. In the formative assessment, they will have quizzes. They will keep journal and log entries on each step they do in constructing their bridge. They will have phase outlines. They will show phototypes that the students have designed. And they will get all this information that they need from the internet or literature. Now, how are we going to do the summic assessment? What we're going to do with the summic assessment is that each student will have and present a written and oral presentation. And within the written and oral presentation, they will go step by step how they design their bridge, the history of their bridge, and the purpose of this project. Sample designs of a bridge. Doesn't look like much. Tried my best. Supplies we're going to use to make our sample copy is that we're going to use popsicle sticks. And I understand we're going to probably need about 600 different types of popsicle sticks. And I didn't realize until I went down to Michael's that popsicle sticks come in different sizes. And that the bridge that we're going to do for civics and economics is going to have 2 different types of popsicle sticks. And also we're going to have several glue guns, which is much easier to utilize than glue sticks to put this bridge together. Now what's going to be the location of this bridge? We're going to run the location from Mr. Harper's barn down there by the woods where the sheep and the cows at, over across the track to my Miss Jackson's fossil pit. Now this will be not an easy project, and it's going to take a lot of work and everything, muscle work, thinking work, but we can do it. And hopefully this project will be completed by the first week in May, because the first Friday in May is when we start our Class Without Walls. And the Class Without Walls is where the little kids come and we take them through the campus, through the trails, through the greenhouse, through the fossil pit, gym pit, the Wright Brothers airplane, and Mr. Harper's barn with the sheep, where they have the opportunity to shed the sheeps, and then with the fossil pit, where they have the opportunity to find sharp teeth and fossils and matrix, and come over to the gym pit where they have the opportunity to find some gems. So, and then they'll have the opportunity to walk across our bridge, our new bridge, from Mr. Harper's barn to Miss Jackson's fossil pit. So think about it, put your thinking hat on it. We're going to start this, and we're going to have fun doing it.